Hey everybody, welcome.
Hi,
My name is Karen.
I'm Christopher.
We are CK Customs PA. We are your admins for Cricket Help Desk Unofficial. And we're live. If you see the red live kind of above my head in the corner, that way, I think. With a scrap box of HTV that I won from Specialty Materials. Every month on Facebook, they do a scrap box giveaway. You just have to sign up on their Facebook page, and then at the end of each month or start of the next or whatever day, they pick a winner. I think they pick 5 winners. Is it 5?
It varies by month. Some holidays they do a lot more, but I think yes, it is 5 every month.
Anyway, they pick some winners for HTV scraps. So we got this box. It's kind of heavy, and we're gonna open it live and learn together what's inside of it. Technically, I won this for January giveaway. It's been here for I don't know, a week and a half-ish, and we just hadn't had an opportunity to go live. So we are here live to open this with everybody and see what we got from Specialty Materials. If you're not familiar with Specialty Materials, they are the manufacturer of the Thermoflex line. So if you've worked with Thermoflex HTV, it comes from Specialty Materials. They have a ton of vinyls, colors and textures, all sorts of it. So I'm really excited to dig into the box. It's got a good weight to it. Can't see anything. There's no peeking going on here. As you can see, every time I drop it, my camera kind of shakes a bit. Sorry about that.
It's a good heavy box.
So yeah, I think I'm ready to cut in. We'll change the camera view, so you can see more of what's in the box from the top.
I'm sharing to a couple of groups. So.
Christopher's doing some sharing. All right, we got a letter. Congratulations. It's even dated. So that's right. I won. The day they pulled it was my birthday.
Yeah.
February 1st. So I won on my birthday. We're so pleased you won our scrap box giveaway. This is a box of possibilities. I bet your new favorite color or product is waiting in here somewhere. They've also included their product color guide 2021, which is very exciting to me because I have some of these books, but I do not have the 2021. So we've won these boxes before. Before we ever won a box, we actually bought a book because these books are super useful. But we now have a 2021 book, so that is staying for sure. Look. Wanna flip. These books are so awesome, guys. They also have opportunities at different times to get these books for free. So keep an eye out for those. Yeah. Alrighty, now you can have my book.
Yeah, I'll look through the books real quick. I just want to see if they added in the new stuff.
Like what?
Well,
there's no more card inserts. They must have put that in this book. Yeah. There was a card insert toward the end of 2020 because they had so much new stuff rolling out that they couldn't just keep changing the book. So they put a card insert. So I bet you those are included.
I hope so. Because they added a pressure-sensitive line. They added a couple other lines at the end of the year last year.
All right. So I have not seen this. There's tape on it, but I'm going to pull tape off. I've not seen this pattern. So with Specialty Materials, with their patterned HTV, it's actually one of my favorites because they do theirs with the carrier sheet on the good side, meaning we get to treat it like the regular vinyl and cut it shiny side down, mirrored, and don't have to switch it to any type of mask. It is one of my favorites to use their patterned HTV. So there's a piece of that. Got a couple of pieces of orange. Some black.
You can always use the orange. Definitely the black.
This one's like, oh, you know what? This is an HTV. This is permanent. This is adhesive vinyl. Pulling off some more tape. So this is like I'm like, I don't know if you guys, there you go. It's like a football pattern. It looks like leather, basically. But that's not HTV. That I can tell by the backing. The backing is paper. So if you're ever trying to figure out the difference, if it's a paper backing, it's going to be an adhesive. Put that in a separate pile so we don't forget to store it separately.
Yep.
Same thing with this one. This one's going to be an adhesive. I have not seen that, so that's kind of cool. It's a cool pattern.
Yeah, I think that was one of the ones that they did for their the Halloween launch.
Box is pretty thick stack in here. I mean, again, this was their monthly free giveaway that I entered, so
She's when they do it, it's like good 5 pounds of HTV vinyl gets in the box, and then they put the book on top, and
just thought I was showing you guys some of the colors as we go. I'm not gonna try to keep you guys here forever, so we had some yellow and some purple. Now this is that what do they call this one? This is an HTV. I know this is an HTV. It's, well, you can kind of see the one through the other, and I had them like that. It's got holes in it. So I forget what they call it. It's definitely in the book, though.
This is the perforated, I believe.
There we go. We got some white. I'm going to go ahead and assume it's white. I will double check it before I put it away. Make sure that I don't get fooled in thinking it's glow. It's happened. But I'm going to go for white for now, especially that we're out of the Halloween season. Although there's a lot of orange in this box, so you never know if these are Halloween scraps still.
Yep.
Ooh, now we go to glitters. So we got some pretty kind of rose-colored. We're going to group them together here. So we got 2 pieces of this kind of snow white glitter. It's got the multicolor flecks in it. And some blue.
I like the blue.
You always like the blue. Got some rainbow deco film. Pretty, pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Red.
Even that, it's a nice red.
This is like that. What do they call this one? This is just like a straight rainbow holographic or spectrum. No, is it spectrum? I don't know.
I don't recall.
I'm terrible with the names, guys. There's way too many.
Double check on that. Because that's
It's a deco film of some sort. Yeah, the names elude me.
Yep. It's just a dive in the book on that, and
gold. We have some other metallic ones. So this is a green metallic.
Love the metallics.
Piece of gray of something. I don't know. I always get tripped up on some of these ones that feel thicker. Trip me up sometimes. Hi, Nicole. Welcome. This is a kind of an old gold. It's got a little bit of shine to it, but it's not a metallic. And then a piece of kind of like tan. Tan, sand, something in that realm. Blue, blue, blue. Oh, a lot of blue. Hold on. This thing keeps going. Lots of pieces of blue.
Perfect. Once you get that, just put it right down. That one from rolling. Kind of get that guy to flatten.
Sometimes I like reverse roll it. And just leave it that way for a little bit.
Gotta be careful with some of them, though. If you reverse roll them, they'll come off the backing.
Yeah.
Glitter will do that. The flock will do it, and then you get bubbles.
Several pieces of white there. And black. Follow. A few pieces in that stack.
Oh, yeah.
Different shades of blue. There's 4 more pieces.
I like my blue.
All right, this one's definitely something. I think it's flock. Guessing flock. I always get between flock and brick, or I think dimension that it's called. Yep, it's a flock. So that's like that fuzzy velour feel. Yeah, 2 pieces of that. Metallic gold. So for those hopping on, this is a scrap HTV box that I won. It was the January giveaway for specialty materials.
Yep.
They pulled it February 1st. I was one of the 5-ish winners.
They'll be putting up last week of the month. They'll be doing another drawing, which we're almost halfway through the month.
Tagged their page in the description of this video, so if you want to follow them and get in on, and Christopher shared it there, so if you want to get in on any of the future ones, this is another piece of adhesive vinyl.
Is that pressure sensitive stuff?
And then we got another pattern HTV. Love their pattern HTV. Love to cut it reverse, weed it, and go without a mask. It's really kind of perfect. This is like what? Ugly Christmas sweater pattern?
Yeah. Nice Christmas sweater.
Well, look at this one. Hey, Dana, check it out. It's got like dark teal plaid in there with the black.
Wow.
That's got to be a Dana one.
That definitely.
Got some different animal prints. These are HTVs. 2 different prints. 4 of those. One of the first one.
We'll put after the video is over, I'll put a link in the description of where you can do a sample request from Special Materials that they do, where you can get samples of different stuff completely free.
Yeah, you can request samples from them, and they'll ship them to you no cost. Some different patterns, super cute stuff. I guess that's Mardi Gras stuff I haven't seen before from them. That I would say that one's Mardi Gras. I'm gonna pick and choose this one. It's like Mardi Gras beads.
Yep.
I'm not sure what this is intended to be, but it's definitely cute.
I think this is one of the patterns that they're doing. Well, I don't know.
It looks like a patchwork kind of thing.
Yeah, I mean that is.
Just see what it's labeled as.
Pretty cool. Yeah.
Your kind of pattern, I know, right? Here's a green, like a St. Patty's Day pattern.
Yep, and they just released 3 new St. Patrick's Day patterns that they posted on their page today.
Look at that one. That one's fun. I like that.
I think that goes by Galaxy.
It might. It's super cool.
Yeah. That.
Red and
red glitter.
Silver glitter. Might be blue glitter.
Yep.
Might be some more white glitter.
Can't go wrong with the glitter.
Patterns.
I like the patterns.
And a zebra pattern. Puzzle pattern.
Yep.
This one's like basketball pattern. It has like, I'll get it close enough. And there's like all the dots. There you go. You can see it at that angle. It's like a basketball.
This one's just different on the zebra pattern.
Yeah.
That layout's just cool.
This is like, what, 70s? It reminds me of
80s.
Yeah, 80s. It reminds me of Saved by the Bell.
Yeah.
If you've ever seen the intro to Saved by the Bell, it reminds me
late
of that.
80s, early 90s. That's just that kind of design.
Ooh, we got some purple camo. It's pretty. Some blue.
I know Dana likes the camo.
Pink.
I don't know
if she goes for the purple camera. Not her kind of pattern.
No.
White. Purple. This one's gonna be a reflective for sure. Yes, and this one has the extra film on it that you have to remove.
Yeah, I remember.
They do videos on each of theirs, and we've seen it there too. Here's that like
that's awesome.
gold. What is this? Oh, it's like got the subli block or whatever on it.
Yeah.
So it's got the white backing on a red HTV, so that if you put it on some other type of color, you're not going to get any bleed through of that color. So your red is going to stay vibrant. Same thing with this black. Possibly midnight blue. It's borderline. I have to line that up in the book, but it's got the white backing as well, so it's going to stay that bold color and not be diluted by whatever's behind it. Metallic red. Gray.
Yep, that way you just don't get any dye migration through on the HTV.
Rainbow deco film. Silver. This one feels very thin though. That's gonna be a very thin HTV.
Interesting.
Right? I think we've had some of that in other boxes though.
Yeah. I'm just trying to I have to go again in the book.
Here's like the real silver metal one. That's like the regular. You can see reflections of things. I'm holding that one up.
Yeah. That's the good stuff.
Purple with the white backing as well.
Oh. And not all of it's sub-block because they'll have
no, some of the other
some
stuff
of the
does
other
that.
lines.
But it still gives you that same effect. It's going to hold that color well.
Yeah, which is great. It's always nice to have that.
Now this red is adhesive. It's not HTV. Adhesive pile. Oh, I didn't see that one.
No problem.
Here's more of that perforated HTV.
Which this works great for like jerseys, sports,
I
athletic.
bet you could do some cool effects over it or under it.
Yeah.
Like, and have it come through a little bit. Be interesting to play with. Here's some gold metal. Look at that. I like those ones. I don't get too much of this one, but I like it. We see your book flipping on camera. That's okay. Flags. Again, with that pattern that you can shiny side down, cut in, mirrored. Always preferred. We got some more fun patterns. Some more St. Patty's Day.
That's Fashion Flex, the one with the perforations.
Right.
And I'm checking to see if it's playable.
Let's say this one's Mardi Gras.
Cannot layer anything on top of.
No, I would have done under.
Yeah. It doesn't say you can't. That zebra's on one of the Fashion Flex as well.
You didn't see this one.
Ooh.
No, that's a permanent. That's not an HTV. So you can't put it on a shirt.
Darn. I have to figure out something to put that on the back of my laptop or something.
Yeah.
That's cool.
There's another Mardi Gras type one. This is a permanent.
Okay.
Piece of white.
Very nice.
Now, what is going on with this one? That's it's an HTV and it's got the carrier on the side. I like it. It's just using one of the milkier carriers, so it just looks kind of dull. Once you peel that carrier off after you press it, it's gonna be just fine. I don't know why that one's on a milky carrier. It's just not. Typically, they just put them on the clear shiny ones. So for whatever reason, that one's on a milky one. Some green metallic. That's it, guys. Got 2 pieces of gold metallic to finish it out. Thank you for joining us as we opened this scrap box from Specialty Materials. Make sure to check out the links in our description below. We'll have links to our Facebook page, their Facebook page, and also a link where you can go and request free samples from them directly. All right. Have a great day. Happy crafting.
Happy crafting.